student. I hope so you are fine. I always thinking that how I can contribute my part or my knowledge for my students or my friends. It is a small effort. I need your feedback. You have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like my videos. I'm going to make all the lectures on first year and second year syllabus. I will try to cope up everything. I need your suggestion. I need your feedback. Let's start the first poem. The Rain. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaf on the top, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. It's a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. It is the first stanza. Here the poet describes the common activity of rain, which is happening all around us, which is happening everywhere. But if we look upon in a particular or peculiar way, we understand what is the reason why it is happening and how we can differentiate. The rain is falling and it is creating a beautiful melody. The poet can hear it dropping on leaves. The rich leaf, they drink more water and they satisfy. When they satisfy, they pass on a small amount of water to the poor leaf. There is a symbolism. Green leaf, they represent rich people. Dry leaf, they represent poor people. Now the poet is pessimistic in the first stanza. Now we look upon the rhyming scheme. Rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B, D, D. If the sound is similar like top and drop, we put B for both, and here and here we give the same D, D. Now let's look upon the second stanza. If we look upon the first stanza again, I hear leaf drinking rain. So you can easily visualize this activity. The rain is falling, and when the rain is falling, the green leaf, they quench more water and they pass on a small amount of water to the poor leaf. And this phenomena has been parallelized by the poet to social aspect. The rich people, they have more facilities, and poor, they have less facilities. Now in second stanza, and when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop. It is a compository activity. When the rain stops, automatically sun comes out. There is a composition and decomposition. Allah Almighty has makes this thing for everyone. Now when the rain stops, the sun comes out, and the light of sun which makes brighter everything. In these lines, in this stanza, the poet imagines that as soon as the rain stops, the sun will appear at once. The foggy and cloudy atmosphere will take a new turn. The sun will increase the beauty of scene by its warmth light. Dewdrops of rain will shine like pearl. The poet hopes that the sun will shine brightly and give luster to the gloomy droplets. So it is, you can easily imagine or visualize this picture on the slide. So everything is going to become brighter and brighter. This is how the human tears of poverty will change into pearl when the sun of fate will shine on them. In the last stanza, the poet become optimistic, and he gives up optimistic picture. Uh, Thank you very much.